पर कलाकारों की लाइफ में रोज का दिन एक बहुत ही रोमांचक तरीके से सामने आता है। आए दिन उनकी लाइफ में कुछ न कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जिसके कारण वो रहते हैं हमेशा परेशान या फिर चाहते हैं कि उनकी प्राइवेसी हमेशा अंडर रैप्स रहे। कितनी बार हमने सुना है कि हमारे कलाकारों का सोशल मीडिया हैंडल हो गया हैक, या फिर कितनी बार ये बात सामने आई कि उन्हीं के नाम के बने हैं फेक अकाउंट्स। एंड कितनी बार ये भी सच सामने आया कि हमारे कलाकार पाए गए हैं डेटिंग एप्स पे एक फेक अकाउंट के जरिए। और ऐसे ही कुछ हुआ है बेपनाह प्यार की लीडिंग लेडी अपर्णा दीक्षित के साथ, क्योंकि वो है फिलहाल बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड आउट बिकॉज उनका फेसबुक पेज हो गया है हैक और अब उनके पेज से बहुत ही वल्गर और बहुत ही चीप किस्म के पोस्ट एंड मैसेजेस किए जा रहे हैं सर्कुलेट। अपर्णा इस बारे में खुलासा करते हुए कहती हैं, "Well, it came as a shock to me because my friends are calling me and messaging me to check if my Facebook has been hacked. Everyone has been following me for such a long time and they know what kind of a post I put and they doubted as there were stories with sexual content on my verified Facebook page. I panicked first of all, the obvious reaction, and when I tried to log in I couldn't and I tried to do it again, but ऐसा नहीं हो पाया. Those people removed me from an admin position and hence I had no command on whatever was being posted on that page. And some people were also texting me personally that they had been getting inappropriate messages similar to the stories. I warned everyone that my account has been hacked and not to open any links or messages being sent by my account." आपको बता देते हैं कि इसके आगे अपर्णा ने कंटिन्यू करते हुए कहा, "For me it's very disheartening because there are fans and people who follow that page belonging to different cities and age groups. There are elders, youngsters and children as well. I feel very bad because I can't really do anything and I'm helpless. I have reported everything to the cybercrime officials and Facebook also. They were very prompt and helpful, but of course these things take a bit time. So meanwhile I have been approaching as many as people as possible, requesting them that not to open and not to click on any link being sent by my old account. I have been receiving so many messages. Many of them understood that my account had been hacked, but then there are someone else was posting all that doesn't understand what hacking is, especially people from my hometown, small towns, etc., especially elders. Even my mom was getting calls and explained her what really happened." While she continues and ends her own statement saying, "There is this one thing that I don't understand, that why do hackers have to do such a thing, especially in this current situation when the world is facing so many problems and still people have so much energy to put all this nonsensical things ahead. I mean, if they put this much brain on productive things and help people, then there's a lot that can be done. I myself feel that I could have put this energy in so many productive things like making people aware about COVID situation and various resources, but I'm having to put it all here only to recover my account. I can't keep it in like that every day because there are so many users and getting calls from messages from people is actually very chaotic and it's such a shame when people are calling. Whereas some people are very concerned, they are telling my fans and asking me what they can do about it. But of course, there is a proper process and I'm following it. I just don't want to let the account go because those are my fans that I've earned in all these years through my hard work. It takes a lot of time. The account is around 2 lakhs followers and they followed my activity every day from my start. And I'm feeling so bad that they have to see such inappropriate stuff on my page. Thus, I'm trying to resolve it as soon as possible." Well, we can completely understand what might Aparna be going right now because this is not a simple situation to let your personal information go out there for public to see and view as they please. Well, हम सिर्फ उम्मीद करेंगे कि बहुत जल्द अपर्णा का अकाउंट रिकवर हो जाए and yet all her fans stay intact and keep supporting her forever. आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूलिएगा कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं इस शॉकिंग खबर के बारे में। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world. Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.